Welcome to our latest video where we will be exploring the top 5 best travel bags of 2024. We've meticulously researched and compiled a list of bags that are not only stylish but also highly functional. These bags are designed to make your travel experience smoother and more organized. And here's the catch: one of these bags has a feature that you wouldn't believe exists in a travel bag. So, stay tuned till the end to find out. For more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Now, without further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 5. The Matador SEG42 Travel Bag. Number 4. The Osprey Farpoint and Fairview 40 Travel Bag. Number 3. Dakine Campus 33L Backpack Travel Bag. Number 2. Peak Design Travel Backpack 45L Travel Bag. Number 2. The Travelpro Travel Bag.